In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide toolbars in the Chrome Acrobat Web Dashboard interface. If you want a cleaner workspace or you need quicker access to certain tools while viewing a PDF, this is a simple adjustment that can make the interface feel much more comfortable. The good news is that you can do it in just a few moments without changing the actual content of your document. To begin, open any PDF in your Chrome Acrobat Web Dashboard interface. It does not matter which PDF you use since this setting is related to the layout of the viewer itself and not to one specific file. Once the document is open, give yourself a second to look over the top area of the window so you can identify where the main controls are located. Next, move your cursor to the upper navigation area in the bar space near the top of the application window. This is the section that usually contains the main actions and viewing controls. You are looking for a neutral or empty area inside that top action bar layout, rather than clicking on a button or tool directly. Choosing an empty space is important because it opens the correct menu for adjusting how the interface is displayed. When you find that neutral space, right-click there. This should bring up a small context menu with display-related options for the toolbar area. If nothing appears, just make sure you did not right-click on an active button, icon, or part of the PDF page itself. Try again in a blank area of the top bar. From that menu, check or uncheck the Tool Grouping Properties Labels option to show or hide toolbars. If the option is checked, the related toolbar elements or labels will appear. If you remove the checkmark, they will be hidden. This is useful if you want a more minimal view for reading or a more detailed view when you are working with editing and organization tools. After changing the setting, take a quick look at the top interface to confirm that the toolbars now appear the way you want. If the result is not what you expected, you can simply right-click the same area again and toggle the option back. That's all there is to it. This small interface adjustment can help you personalize your Acrobat viewing experience in Chrome and make your workspace easier to use depending on the task at hand.